It's a perfect white disk which was spotted over Yorkshire with some claims of cloaked alien visitors. Wow, that's too big for me. I can't do this video, sorry. Okay, if you insist, we will do this video.
Section 51. Section 51.
Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome on Section 51. This is DozGeek. It's always cool, always nice to meet you again on Section 51, to come back for a new video. It's always a pleasure. Thank you again for your kind comments, your reactions, for your support to the channel. It's always nice for us to produce new videos. It's a pleasure. So thank you, because you are, all of you, you are the family Section 51. That's a big family. So thank you to all of you. If you are ready, I invite you to come with me on the web to discover this new amazing article. I hope that this is not bullshit, that this is something true, or at least something interesting about UFOs. Okay? Let's go right now! Okay, so we are on the website express.co.uk, and as you can see, the title of the article written by Sebastian Ketley on September the 13th of 2020. It was Sunday, so the guys seems to work even on Sunday. UFO hunters claim to have found evidence of a cloaked alien spacecraft after a perfect white disk was filmed over Yorkshire. Okay? Don't pay attention to the royal family hurt in loss of revenue from pandemic, says expert. Okay, this is not the deal today. So let's get back to the main subject. The supposed UFO or unidentified flying object was spotted earlier this week and filmed by YouTuber Deadbeat Chess 666. And also, at first glance, the UFO appears to be nothing more than a cloud. Some conspiracy theorists are not so certain. Conspiracy theorists, there is a link. Conspiracy theories. There is a category on the Express about conspiracy theories. Conspiracy theories explain events by tracing their cause to a plot by a covert organization. Theorists believe that many important political events and social trends are due to secret plots that are largely unknown to the general public. And you know that the Express, as the mainstream medias, the Express holds the truth about all this. The Express is always right, you know? No, we have to be very light with all these subjects, and we don't need to take all this seriously, because that's the trap. We have to be at a higher level, knowing all this. So the UFO video shows a stationary cloud hovering in the distance behind some treetops. The cloud appeared over West Yorkshire and prompted claims from prominent UFO researcher Scott Waring again. Extraterrestrial phenomena were afoot. Scott Waring is very quoted. He is very well placed on the list, the official list of the mainstream media, I believe, because that's always Scott Waring who is cited or who is referred in the articles. So Mr. Waring, who runs the blog UFO Sightings Daily, is a popular purveyor of UFO conspiracies and claims. You can directly say that this is a conspiracy theorist. I don't like that kind of sentence. He said,
"The white disc was seen passing over Yorkshire, England this week. The eyewitness jokingly states, alien mothership from fifth dimension disguised as harmless cloud. But the truth is not far from it. UFOs do form clouds. Many UFO reports have documented witnessing such clouds forming around UFOs and UFOs darting into clouds to hide. So we know aliens have done it many times before. This UFO has absolutely perfect dimensions on its top."
And this is not the first time Mr. Waring has made similar claims about harmless clouds. The supposed UFO is most likely a lenticular cloud. In August, for instance, he shared photographs of round clouds over Japan's Mount Fuji, dubbing them 100% proof aliens are here. Let's check it out. Cloaked alien ship over Mount Fuji, and it was in August 2020. You can see here. This particular cloud actually glows from within itself. Dark on the top and dark on the bottom. The light emanates through its sides, glowing a bright yellow. Maybe Mr. Scott Waring has a lot of imagination, maybe he's right. Who holds the truth about all this? In this case, he thinks the alien base sits some 3 to 4 miles below the surface. The surface of the volcano, okay. So let's get back to the first article. And 3 years ago, he argued a similar cloud spotted over Sweden was another cloaked UFO. Okay, and it was in 2017. Another lenticular cloud shaped snapped over Are in Sweden. Photographer Sarah Björkbaum joked on Instagram.
"I thought I could jump on that spaceship."
That's what she said after posting the pictures on her page. The stunning image in full, but Scott C. Waring believes a UFO is inside. That's a very beautiful picture. There is a lot of strange phenomena in the sky at any moment. You just have to be at the right place at the right moment. He said of this latest find, the cloud over Sweden.
"This is an alien craft that created a cloud to hide within. probably came from the ocean area from an underwater alien base and wanted to monitor how England's people are dealing with lockdowns and restrictions due to COVID-19.
Yes, of course, COVID-19, maybe, why not? The UFO hunter went on to say aliens are studying humans as science experiment. You have his sentence, his words. This is an alien craft that created a cloud to hide within. Maybe that's a way like another. But there is a much simpler explanation behind the UFO clouds, one that does not involve aliens. Here on the picture you have a wonderful picture of a UFO. Do you believe alien spaceships are visiting Earth? Do you believe? And the simpler explanation is that the meteorological phenomenon known as lenticular clouds really exists. According to the Met Office, lenticular clouds form when winds at different heights pass over hills and mountains. The winds can form round, flying saucer-like clouds like the one seen over Yorkshire. In some cases, the clouds will have multiple tiered layers. The Met Office said,
"These strange, unnatural-looking clouds sometimes form downwind of hills or mountains. They are quite unusual in the British Isles, but do occasionally occur. They look a lot like the traditional shape of flying saucers in science fiction, and real lenticular clouds are believed to be one of the most common explanations for UFO sightings across the world."
Do we have comments? It's called a lenticular cloud. When lands in Trafalgar Square and aliens get out and salute Admiral Nelson, then I will care. Until then, it makes zero difference to daily life whether aliens exist or not. It's a cloud. It is nothing more than a cloud. Yes, guys, but what if this beautiful cloud was not only a simple cloud, but it was a weapon of invisibility? Maybe a UFO, a disc-shaped UFO, could be hidden in the cloud. But in that case, so that is my theory, my own theory, okay? But in that case, I would like to send a message, a private message to the aliens, maybe who are watching this video. Guys, if you are using this old technique of the lenticular cloud for hiding, next time, don't forget to use it when you have a lot of lenticular clouds all around. Don't use this technique in a totally empty sky like this, because that is logical. The only thing you can see in the sky, this is your lenticular cloud, your cloud of invisibility, where you are cloaked. Guys, do you believe we are completely nuts? We are fools? No. The people have spotted your cloud. What can I say? How can I help you guys to quietly, to discreetly study us without letting people discovering your existence on Earth? How can I help you, aliens? So yes, next time, don't forget to use the technique, the old technique of the lenticular cloud and the UFO hidden in the cloud. Don't forget to use this technique in a sky already filled with other lenticular clouds, or at least in a cloudy sky. That's the minimum. Let's be logical. Or maybe the aliens have a lot of humor. I don't know. So sorry for joking, but the subject was interesting, I admit. And the theory of Scott Waring is not is relevant. It worth digging it. Maybe the aliens could be hidden in the cloud, and it could be a way for them for studying us from the sky. And maybe it is linked to the COVID-19. I don't know. This is another supposition, another theory. There is a lot of things, and it's difficult to extract the truth from all these informations. But I like the sample, the recipe that we have here, that kind of story. That's fun, and I hope that I gave you a bit of fun, a bit of entertainment with this new video and with this new subject. So guys, what do you think of this? Do you believe that Scott Waring is right, or do you believe that it's just simply a lenticular cloud in the sky? I want to know your reactions. I want to read your comments. I can't wait to read your comments below this video. So guys, thank you for watching this new video about this incredible subject, as always. But who knows? Maybe it's true. Maybe there is something hidden in the cloud. Until the next video, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Don't forget also to hit the bell button in order to be notified even each time there is a new video on the channel. You can also visit all our social network and join the big family of Section 51 on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. In our Spreadshirt shop you can find these amazing t-shirts. Section 51, yes guys, yes, this is the pure style, yes. So thank you for watching. I can see your smiles just behind the camera. This was DozGeek on Section 51. Live long and prosper, and see you in the next video on Section 51. As always, big kisses, big thoughts, thank you, and stay safe. Take care of you. This was DozGeek, Section 51. Bye bye.